All right, let's talk about something really cool today. How you can get incredibly powerful AI into your own projects without, and this is the best part, without having to be a machine learning genius. Let's jump right in.
It seriously feels like magic, right? You snap a picture and boom, your phone knows who's in it. Or you're traveling, you point your camera at a menu you can't read, and suddenly it's in English. These features are everywhere now, but what's really going on behind the curtain?
Now, you might be picturing these giant, complicated data centers with teams of PhDs working for years just to make one of those things happen. But the truth is, the power to add that kind of intelligence to your own stuff is way, way more accessible than you'd imagine. And that's where these AWS-managed AI services come into play. The best way to think about them is like a toolbox of ready-to-go AI. Amazon has already done all the super hard work, training these complex algorithms on mountains of data, so you can just, well, pick one up and use it.
And that right there, that's the whole point. Instead of you getting bogged down in managing servers, figuring out how to scale things, or training models from scratch, which is a massive job, AWS handles all of that. It completely frees you up to do the fun part, focusing on building your awesome application.
So let's just quickly break down what this really means for you. First, fully managed. That means you literally never have to worry about the servers or the infrastructure. It just works. Then, pre-trained models. This is huge. You get to tap into world-class AI from day one. And finally, pay-as-you-go. This is a game changer because you only pay for what you actually use. It means anyone, from a single developer to a small startup, can use the exact same powerful tools as the big guys.
Okay, so now that we get the why, let's get into the what. It's time to open up this amazing AI toolbox and see what's inside.
And before we even look at the tools, check out how simple this is. It's basically a three-step dance. 1, you pick the AI service you need. 2, you send it your data, like a photo or some text, using a simple API call. 3, you get your AI-powered result back. That's it. Seriously.
This table gives us a great snapshot. So, over in the vision category, you've got a service like Amazon Recognition, which can analyze a picture and tell you exactly what's in it. In the language bucket, you have Comprehend, which can read customer reviews and tell you if people are happy or upset. And in speech, you've got Amazon Polly, which can turn any text into natural-sounding speech, or Transcribe, which does the opposite, turning spoken words into text.
And believe me, the toolbox is deep. It goes way beyond just these. There are services to build smart chatbots, create powerful search engines for your website, forecast your business sales, and even build those spooky accurate recommendation engines. The ones that know what you want to watch next before you do. The possibilities are just huge.
Now, it's easy to just enjoy all this simplicity and forget what's going on underneath. But all this magic is standing on the shoulders of some seriously powerful and reliable technology. Let's take a quick peek behind the scenes.
Yeah, these aren't just fun little toys. They're built for real-world, heavy-duty work. They are super reliable, spread out all over the globe so they're always available and fast. And they're flexible too. You can use them for real-time analysis as things happen, or you can point them at a giant pile of data and have them process it all at once.
And here's the coolest part. All of these simple, easy-to-use services are built on top of the exact same powerful platforms, like Amazon SageMaker, that professional data scientists use for their super custom, hardcore machine learning projects. So you get the simplicity of just plugging something in, but with all the power and reliability of an enterprise-grade system.
So we've seen what these tools are, we've seen how they work, and we've seen how powerful they are. Which brings us to the most exciting part. What are you going to build? I mean, just look at this comparison. It's a night and day difference. The old way meant building everything yourself, hiring expensive, specialized teams, and spending a ton of money up front. The AWS way, you just plug into a pre-built service with an API call and only pay for what you use. This has completely changed the game, putting these amazing tools into the hands of every single developer out there. And that really brings us full circle. With this kind of power, literally world-class AI, just one API call away from you right now. The only thing holding you back is your imagination. So the real question is, what problem are you going to solve first?